anyway, motorcyclists riding behind me right now, and I find this person to be very safety conscious. Not. Barely has any clothes on. Pair of shorts, some loafers with no socks, a t-shirt, no helmet. He does have eye protection. He has sunglasses and a windshield. However, what really tops it off is he's like, I've seen this a lot of times, he's got a helmet, but it's strapped to his sissy bar in the back. Why isn't he wearing it? I don't know. But just thought I'd share that with you.